Hey everybody, just a heads up that Screencastify link sharing is currently not working. You can see your Screencastify videos right in Screencastify app after you record them, but when you copy the link and send that link in an email or post it in Google Classroom, people who try to play that link get this recurring screen, and it doesn't matter how many times you click retry here, it's not going to load. I don't know exactly what's going on there, but it's not the first time it's happened, but it seems to be very widespread right now. So if you're in the habit of copying the link right from Screencastify recordings, and then let me just open this up. If you click here, enable link sharing, copy share link, and you put it in Google Classroom or you email it to somebody directly, when they try to open it, it will not work. They'll get this. So there are two ways that you can get around this. First thing you can do is go to Google Drive and go to your Screencastify folder. We all have one. As soon as you record your first Screencastify video, this file is auto created, and every video that you ever record on your computer is auto saved here. So I'm going to open this one, and then there we go. Sorry about that. You want to click the menu up here. You want to click share. And by default, when you go in here, this will be set to restricted. That's only you can view it. That's what it's going to look like. All right. You want to change this to Schuylkill Valley School District. It will automatically update that to anybody who has the link can view. Copy the link. Then you post that in Google Classroom or email it to somebody, and they'll be good to go. The other way you can do it is directly through Classroom. So here's my Tech Desk Dummies class. Go to classwork, create assignment, just call this test. I'm not going to put any instructions there. Click the drive icon. It will bring up your most recent files, or you can go to drive, but there's the one I want, Screencastify. That's pulling it directly from drive, and then assign it, and students will be able to watch it. You can also, of course, upload Screencastify videos to YouTube, higher quality, always available. Don't have to worry about sharing permissions, but that's a little bit more work on the front end. If you're having issues with sharing links in Screencastify, let me know, and we'll get you fixed up.